the Central Intelligence Agency. For over 75 years, this organization has operated in the shadows. Its mission to gather intelligence and execute covert operations. Its goal to protect American interests at home and abroad. The CIA is a world unto itself. It is a world of espionage, intrigue, and high-stakes gambles. Join us as we delve into the heart of this enigmatic organization. We will explore its history, its methods, and its impact on the world stage. The CIA's reach is global. Prepare to enter a world unlike any other. The CIA's roots trace back to World War II. The Office of Strategic Services, or OSS, was its predecessor. The OSS was formed to gather intelligence and conduct sabotage behind enemy lines. After the war, the OSS was disbanded. However, the need for a centralized intelligence agency was clear. In 1947, President Truman signed the National Security Act. This act created the CIA. The agency was tasked with gathering foreign intelligence and conducting covert operations. The CIA's early years were dominated by the Cold War. The Soviet Union became the agency's primary focus. The agency has played a critical role in shaping American foreign policy. The world has changed dramatically since the CIA's inception. The fall of the Soviet Union marked the end of the Cold War. However, new threats have emerged. Terrorism, cyber warfare, and the proliferation of weapons of mass destruction pose significant challenges. The CIA has had to adapt to this new landscape. The rise of global terrorism has forced the CIA to focus on new enemies. Groups like Al-Qaeda and ISIS operate in the shadows. They pose a constant threat to the United States and its allies. The CIA has been at the forefront of the fight against terrorism. The agency has used a variety of methods, including intelligence gathering, covert operations, and drone strikes. Cyber espionage has also become a major concern. Countries like China and Russia have developed sophisticated cyber capabilities. The CIA plays a vital role in defending against these threats. Section 4. Covert Operations. Shaping global events from the shadows. Covert operations are a cornerstone of the CIA's activities. These are secret missions designed to influence events in foreign countries. The CIA has a long history of conducting such operations. Some were successful, others were disastrous. All were shrouded in secrecy. One of the most well-known CIA operations is the Bay of Pigs invasion. In 1961, the CIA trained and equipped a group of Cuban exiles to overthrow Fidel Castro's communist regime. The invasion was a failure, embarrassing the United States and strengthening Castro's grip on power. The CIA has also been involved in numerous operations to support anti-communist regimes. During the Cold War, the agency provided arms and training to various groups opposing Soviet-backed governments. In recent years, the CIA has focused on combating terrorism, conducting drone strikes against suspected terrorists. The Special Activities Center, at the tip of the spear. Within the CIA lies the Special Activities Center, or SAC. SAC handles the CIA's most sensitive covert operations, including paramilitary and special reconnaissance. It operates in the most dangerous corners of the world. SAC is divided into the Special Operations Group, SOGO, and the Political Action Group, PAG. SAC was involved in the mission to eliminate Osama bin Laden. The SAC's activities are highly classified, but it plays a vital role in protecting American interests. Section 6. The CIA's global reach, shaping the world we know. The CIA's influence on global politics is undeniable. For over 7 decades, the agency has operated in the shadows. It has shaped events in countless ways, from toppling governments to combating terrorism. Its actions have had both positive and negative consequences. Its legacy remains a subject of intense debate. The CIA will continue to play a significant role in shaping global events.